Yo man, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So yeah, today I'm going to give you an update on the challenge that I'm doing. I actually have a 10k challenge with funding pips. So I'm just going to give you an update on how the challenge is going, guys. So currently we are up 3% on the challenge, so we only need 5% to pass the challenge, the 10k challenge, guys. We need like, let me say, we need like 500 US dollar to pass the challenge, guys. So let me just go to my dashboard so that I can show you my statistics and the trades. Later on I'll be showing the trade that I've taken on the charts, guys. So let's go to the website so that I can show you my dashboard. Okay, so you can see, guys, I'm on the funding pips dashboard. This is my 10k account, guys, as you can see there. So yeah, this is an account. So we are currently at 10,351 US dollars, as you can see. So that is an equity. So we are up 3.5%, as you can see there, guys. So yeah, man, it's a two-step challenge, and we are currently using CTrader. So CTrader is a good platform, guys. It's a good platform to trade. So man, so far it has been good to me. So it's my first time this year using the CTrader, but yeah, it's good, man. So now the trading objectives now. Minimum trading days. We already over 3 days already. So now the minimum trading days is 3 days, and the daily loss limit is 517. So far we are good, guys. So far we are good. Max loss limit, as you can see, it's 1.3 here, which is left, and the profit target is 449 US dollar, which is left to pass this challenge, guys. We need 800 US dollars to pass this challenge. So now, as you can see, guys, here is the chart, how the chart look like, as you can see, guys. So man, the average win 7 US dollar, average loss is 15. So I took a bigger loss on gold. That is why my average loss is bigger than my average win. So my win ratio is 79%, 29%, and the profit factor is 1.78. So yeah, man. So these are the daily summary of the trades that I've taken, all the trades that I've taken, guys. I was actually scalping, man. Most of the time I was scalping, as you can see here. So yeah, man. So we started trading this account on it was on the first, or it was on Monday. Yeah, it was on Monday. That is the time that we started trading this trade. I mean trading this account. So now, okay, trade that have been taken, number of trades is 5. Total trades taken is 140. Average trades per day is 20. So I'm just scalping. That's why you see there's a lot of trades taken here. Total lot used is 7. Average lot used is 1.5. Biggest win is 48 US dollar, and biggest loss is 59. This 59, I took a bigger loss on Friday. It was NFP. Yeah, it was NFP. Positive days, it was 6 days, guys, as you can see there. Negative days, it was only 1 day. That's why I took a bigger loss on gold, guys. Now check here. Okay, I was more profitable when I was buying than selling, guys. As you can see, most of my sales were losses, but majority of my wins came from my buys. The majority of my wins, they came from buying, guys. As you can see now, instrument profit analysis. Most of the instruments that I've made a lot of money. It was Euro AUD, GBP gold a bit, but most of my losses it was on gold, and Bitcoin. It was almost the highest, and it was also USD CHF, guys, and Euro USD, and silver. Those are the trade and the instruments that were more profitable for me. Instruments, volume analysis. So yeah, man. Now let's go to the result by trading time. So this is the time that I was more profitable, guys. So the good thing about funding pips, the dashboard, it will show you everything, guys. It will show you everything. It's quite clear, and you can understand it, man. Even if you don't know, you can understand it. So now, okay, the time that I was more profitable, the times that I traded most, it was around 8, at 1, and 15, and at 12. That is the time that I was more profitable. I mean trading, guys. So far we traded only from Monday, Tuesday until Friday, guys. We trade only from Monday up to Friday so far. So here is a summary of the trades. As you can see here, we mostly traded GBP USD, we Euro USD. We mostly traded Euro USD and Euro AUD. We also traded gold. We also traded USD CHF, USD JPY, and silver and Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin was more profitable for me that other day. So yeah, man. If you feel like now you want to buy a challenge, just use my link in the video description. I'll also drop in the comment section, guys, to purchase an account with funding pips to receive a 5% discount, guys. Just use that link and when you are purchasing in a challenge so that you can receive a 5% discount, guys. So guys, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified when I post an update about this challenge, how the challenge is going, guys. So guys, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so you can see now we are on trading view. I will just show you all the trades that I've taken on the account, on the funding pips challenge, 10k challenge that I've taken. So as you can see here, guys, the market is obvious that it's in a downtrend. So I already drawn this zone, this supply zone on a higher time frame. It was on daily, guys, as you can see. So I was just waiting for price to tap into this zone, then I will sell. So now what did you do? So I was just waiting because on this happened on Monday, the first. That was the first trade that I've taken on this challenge. So it happened on Monday. So I already put up this liquidity. So I was waiting for this liquidity or to the upside to be taken. I wanted the price to take out this higher so that I can sell. So that is what actually happened on Monday. It happened on Monday, and then that is where after this candle closes, that is where I enter a sell. I put my stop loss above this because I know that the price will never go back to that higher. So now that is what we did. Now that was our first trade. So now let me just quickly go on H1. On H1, as you can see here, after we were in profit, after we broke this low, that is where I realized that, okay, price will continue to the downside. Now I was waiting for a pullback now, because that is where I ended up putting up this trend line. After breaking this trend line, I was waiting for a pullback, and then that is where we ended our second sell trade. Then I got out at this zone here. That is our first TP zone. That is where I got out, guys. I didn't hold this trade until the downward like this. So that was the first trade on Euro AUD, guys. We took the first trade on Euro AUD. Now the second trade was on USD CHF. It was a USD CHF sell, as you can see. So now this is a, as you can see on H4. On H4, price is in the downtrend, guys. As you can see there, price is in the downtrend, and I already put up the trend line. After price tap into the trend line, that is when now I realized that, okay, let me just draw up this zone here. After price now, after seeing a bearish engulfing here, because we already tap this trend bigger trend line on a high time frame. After seeing this bearish engulfing here, that is where I enter a sell and I put my stop loss here. And then after now we broke out, after we broke out, that is where I enter our second sell trade. Then I got out. I got out here at this zone because I was waiting for price to react, and that is what the price did. Price did react and have a pullback, and then it sold. So now I didn't hold this trade for longer because I was just scalping. It's a small account. This one you cannot hold trades like that. It's a small account. It's a 10k account, and the minimum loss, the maximum daily loss is 500 USD. So that's why I couldn't stay long in this trade. So now our final trade that I also took a trade on gold. I took a trade on gold, guys. It was a loss. It was a loss, as you can see, guys. So here, guys, price was just consolidating around this area. So we were just trading support and resistance, resistance and support. So I was now expecting the same thing to continue before NFP. Then then after pricing this trade here, after seeing this rejection, let me just quickly go on M30. After seeing this smaller rejection here, guys, after seeing this smaller rejection, that is where I entered a sell, and then price immediately took me out, guys. Price took me out. That was a loss. So now that was our third trade. Now our fourth trade, it was on Friday on Bitcoin, guys. It was on Friday on Bitcoin. It was a nice trade, guys. It was a nice trade. So Bitcoin, as you can see, gold, DXY was selling, guys. DXY was selling the whole time. So that is where I came back to Bitcoin and realized that, okay, since the US dollar is weak, expect Bitcoin to go up. So that is where now I ended after seeing what? After seeing this rejection, this big rejection on the M15, after seeing this big rejection down to the downside, that is where I ended our buy. So now price was moving down. I was now like, when I was in this trade, I was like, should I close this trade? Then later on, price moved to the upside, guys. It moved to the upside, and then after I break out of this high and a retest, that is where I end our second buy trade. Then guys, it was a nice trade, guys. It's where I made a lot of money. We are currently up 3% on the account, so we only need now 5% to pass this challenge. So guys, make sure that for you to not miss out on our next episode, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post this episode, the next episode, guys. So yeah, man, thanks for watching, guys.